Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word caring. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She showed her caring nature by always checking up on her friends when they were feeling down. Caring refers to showing compassion, concern, and support for others, demonstrating empathy and a genuine interest in their well-being and happiness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.